How to check for hidden messages in Messenger. In this tutorial, I will show you how to check for hidden messages in Messenger. Open or launch the Messenger mobile app, just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app. After that, tap on the menu option. It is this option here with the hamburger symbol. A side panel with several different options will appear. From those options, tap this one named Message Requests. You will then land on this page where you will see two sections at the top of the page. The first section is about people you may know. These are messages sent to you by people who are not on your friends list but have sent you messages. They are put in this section because they may be friends to people who are your friends and Messenger assumes you may know them. So what you have to do is to tap and open the message. Here you have two choices. You can either delete the message or accept the message by responding to the message, and then it will be moved to your general chat area. The other section is the spam section where you will find messages that have been hidden here because they are spam. Some may contain files and links that Messenger sees to be dangerous if you open them. After that, come back to the side panel again. Sometimes messages can also be hidden in the archives. So make sure you tap here and you'll see all the messages that have been sitting here in the archive section. If you want them to reappear again in the main chat area, you can long press on them and they will be unarchived. The process is that simple. Finally, there is one remaining area where messages can also be hidden. Open the inbox where the messages have disappeared from. After that, tap on the inbox info icon, which appears somewhere here. You can also tap on the name of the user at the top of the inbox. You will then land on this page. From there, make sure you scroll down to the bottom of the page. If you had secret conversations with this person, then you will see an option here named Secret Messages, so tap on it and you will see the secret messages that have been hidden here. I hope this video has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to check for hidden messages in Messenger.